Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where you are cooking with Mel. Today we're making honey garlic chicken thighs. Here's a snapshot of all the ingredients you'll need for this meal, but we're going to focus solely on the chicken. We're going to prep our chicken by washing it. We're going to add some salt to a bowl. I actually added a whole lot of salt. Take some water and mix it in so that the salt can dissolve. And you're going to put your chicken in this salt water. So this step is not up for debate. You will wash this chicken. You will wash all slime, blood, feathers, all of that. You want to get that out the chicken before you cook it. So you're going to wash it really good. I have my gloves on because I don't want chicken in my nails. Drain it and do this step as many times as you like. So y'all, my chicken had to be on some type of like weight loss regimen. Like it was on Jenny Craig or something, because all this excess skin on this chicken, and I don't know why it's there. So I'm gonna take my kitchen scissors and cut that off. And I kept my fat, but if you're being fat conscious and you want to cut off the fat, you can do that too. So you're gonna prepare to season your chicken. I have a whole tablespoon of pepper for no reason. You can literally take the bottle and sprinkle it across the chicken till it covers the chicken. Same thing with the sea salt. So you're going to put salt and pepper on the front. You're going to get ready to flip it. And you're going to do the same thing to the back. You're going to put salt and pepper on the back. So it's important that the chicken is bottom side up, because we're going to actually cook it bottom side up. So we're going to make our sauce. I have fresh cilantro, so we're going to cut about half a cup. We're going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce to a bowl. Add the cilantro that you just cut. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of minced garlic and about 1 teaspoon of Sriracha sauce. I actually put in 2 because I want it to be a little bit more spicier. You need about 3 tablespoons of honey. I put 6 because I want it to have extra sweet sauce. If you don't want it to be extra sweet, you don't have to put in extra honey. Then I felt bad and put in some more soy sauce to balance it out. So I'm gonna take the whisk and whisk it up, and I'm actually gonna taste it because I'm not sure if I like it yet. And I'm like, nope, need more honey, so I don't feel bad about putting the honey in anymore. So I'm gonna stir it up and get ready to cook everything. So I have my chicken thighs ready. I have a tablespoon of olive oil in the pan already. So we're gonna put the chicken thighs in the hot pan. And you're gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Enough to brown, but not too much. You don't want to overcook it because we still have to cook this in the oven. So when you flip them over and let them cook for about 2 minutes on each side, you're going to prepare to put your sauce in. And once you put your sauce in, you just want to lather the chicken as much as you can. The oven should be preheated on 300 degrees. I know that's low, but we want to cook it low and slow because we've already cooked it on top of the stove, and you don't want no rubbery chicken. So we're going to put it in the stove, and about 40 to 45 minutes later, take it out. It should be ready. You can add more cilantro if you want to for garnishing. And then lather it up real nice. Yeah, there we go. And so here's the picture of the meal that I made it with. If you want to make the rice, I have a link to that video in the description below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.